Assalamu alaikum class 2. How are you? Do you remember what we were doing yesterday? Exactly, well done. We were reading Endro and the lion. Good. Today we're having comprehension. So I want you to look at the board, please. Okay? Look at the board. Right. Now, I want you to give me some names of animals that live in the forest. Wild animals. Good. जी जंगली जानवर कहाँ jungle या forest आप बताएं. Who can tell me? Very good. Let's name them together one at a time. Giraffe, good. A deer, zebra, rhinoceros, very good. And monkeys, lion, well done. What else? Very good. Apes, the big apes. And reach को क्या कहेंगे? Bear, well done. Big grizzly bear. Very good. Now, can you tell me, what do lions eat? Who can tell me, what does a lion eat? Fresh meat. Very good. Now, does he like to eat plants? चलो आज plants खिला दें. No. Why? Exactly. He likes to have fresh meat with blood and everything. Good. Now, if a lion is not eating for some time, जैसे एंड्रो का lion जो था, किंग ने क्या किया था? हाँ, very good. इसको इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? किंग ने लायन को भूखा रखा. Try in English. The king did not feed the lions for some time. Why? Good. So जब वो स्टेडियम में एक तरफ एंड्रो हो और एक तरफ लायन हो, तो लायन भागा हुआ जाएगा कि ओह मुझे आज फ्रेश खाना मिलेगा और जाके फंबोड़ लेगा, है ना? गुड. मगर ऐसा नहीं होता उसके साथ. चलें, लेट्स कम बैक टू द बोर्ड. नाउ, डू यू नो what items, what animals eat? Yes. Giraffe. Very good. They eat plants. Very good. And giraffes can eat, because they have very long necks, they can eat from the top of the tree, all the yummy green leaves. Very good. And what does a monkey eat? Yes, bananas. Well done. What else? Very good. Excellent. Yes, he can eat berries, and if you pick up a stone and there are little ants there, he can lick that. What else? Yes, well done. So a monkey will eat berries, fruits, and bugs, if there are any. Good. What about an elephant? The same. They like to eat leaves and green plants. Good. Well done. Now, supposing you want to be a person who is liked. What qualities? अगर आप चाहते हो कि मुझे कोई पसंद करे, तो क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए आप में? बताइए. polite, kind, generous, good, friendly and caring, very good. Polite कि आप अगर किसी से बात करें तमीज़ और तहज़ीब से, ओके, और काइंड बहुत रहम से पेश आए लोगों से, जानवरों से और लोगों से, चाहे वो बड़े हों या छोटे हों, ओके। एंड देन बी जेनरस, दिल खोल के, अगर किसी को मदद करनी है दिल खोल के, किसी को आपने हेल्प करनी है बिल्कुल दिल खोल के हेल्प करें, पैसा देना है दिल खोल के, ओके। एंड फ्रेंडली, दोस्ताने माहौल में भाईचारा is a very good thing. And caring, sharing and caring, केयर करना लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है, good. Now let's do the questions. We're going to talk about it today verbally. So for homework, you're going to write them. So number 1, look at the board. Why did Endro run away? Endro क्यों भागा? भगोड़े क्यों बन गए वो? Very good. The king was angry with Endro, okay, for not doing his job properly. बादशाह नाराज था कि एंड्रो ने पूरा सही से अपना काम नहीं किया, तो उसको मारना चाह रहा था। तो एंड्रो जल्दी से अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भाग गया, ओके। नाउ हाउ डिड एंड्रो हेल्प द लायन? एंड्रो ने लायन को किस तरह से हेल्प किया? वेरी गुड। पहले वो डरा हुआ था, देयर इज अ लायन दैट केम इन फ्रंट एंड ही वाज अबाउट टू रन। फिर क्या देखा उसने? वेरी गुड। हाथ नहीं कहेंगे, क्या कहेंगे उसे? थिंक, paw. Very good. The lion's paw was swollen and it was bleeding. Very good. So क्या हो गया था? There was a thorn and he pulled it out. Good. Now number 3. Why was the lion not given any food? Exactly, yes. The lion was captured and not given any food, so the lion was hungry. And when he saw the victim was thrown in the stadium, he will eat the victim. भंबोर डालेगा victim को. मगर number 4. Why didn't lion eat Endro? Exactly. वो जो इतना शेर भागा आ रहा था उसकी तरफ कि मैं भंबोर डालूंगा इसको, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन उसने करीब जाके देखा, ओह इसने तो मुझे मदद की थी, मेरे पाँव पे से कांटा जो था निकाला था, मैं इसको कैसे खा सकता हूँ? तो क्या हो गया था? बिल्कुल जैसे एक वफादार कुत्ता होता है, उसने उसका हाथ चाटने लगा। Good. Now tell me, we're going to try to make questions. So what was Endro's job? ये आप सोचें। Very good. Feeding horses. And what did Endro find in the lion's paw? Very good. A thorn. And who licked Endro's hand? The lion licked Endro's hand. Did the king forgive him? Very good. Yes, the king forgave Endro. So boys and girls, what I'd like you to do, watch the video again if it helps you, and then please write the answers neatly in your copies. Send them as a screenshot to your teacher and she will see it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.